Rakuten Family Day 2024 featured an office tour based on the concept of taking a trip around Little Rakuten World. A record amount of people signed up, with Rakutenians and their family members and friends joining on the day. Welcome everyone to Rakuten Crimson House. You will now be going on a tour of an office that fosters multiculturalism and innovation.
Rakuten Family Day 2024開始いたします。
Safe travels. First stop is the Asakai venue. Here, learn about different Rakuten businesses and club activities. A Rakuten Securities Learn and Play booth, a security classroom for smartphone use, and even a pop-up Rakuten mobile shop offer different activities to help participants understand each business and their services. Employees from Rakuten official clubs shared authentic experiences, with visitors enjoying masala chai, practicing the Japanese tea ceremony, and trying on traditional Chinese Hanghu clothing, among other things. At the Indian club booth, henna tattoos designed with the visitor's name in Hindi were very popular.
これ自分の名前を入れてもらったんですけど、これね2日で落ちちゃうらしいんですけど、別に一生あってもいいかなって。
子供が今2歳なんですけど、子供が楽しめるイベントがあるのが非常に助かります。重りを投げるやつとか、なんか結構ゲームがあったので、景品もらえるみたいなのが楽しんでます。
Next, let's move up to the office area. The CEO's office is part of an open floor plan without walls or dividers.
オープンスペースになってて、他の方がお仕事してらっしゃるデスクが並んでる一角にあったので、本当に驚きました。すごくね、コミュニケーションを大事にされてるね、三木谷さんらしいレイアウトなのかなって思いましたね。
The executive reception room was shown to the public for the first time this year. It's a special place which exhibits medals and other rare items.
"社員を大切にしている企業だっていうのが伝わってきます。
こういうことしてる会社ってあんまりない印象なんで、ここまでやってるんだすごいなっていう印象ですね。はい。
Let's take a look at the booth introducing sustainable activities. Here, some visitors volunteered their time. Everyone is focused, sorting a mountain of coins of different currencies gathered through donations. We've now arrived at the cafeteria. A variety of menu items were prepared, including a delicious-looking kids' lunch and curry prepared by Indian chefs.
いつも外からビルを見てますけれども、初めて中に入って思った以上に素晴らしいところで、毎日ここで働ける息子が幸せかなと思ってよかったです。
英語の読み聞かせもしてもらったりとか、なんかいろいろな人種の方と触れ合うことができて。
When we came here, even kids enjoyed everything and they love the place and they feel that their father working in really nice environment and for the nice company.
Did you enjoy the Little Rakuten World? See you on the next tour.